Ngipinang subhay pi baro syakani ka channel kajungi bat hagani ka video ngin pe ikini ki post ibrang slide thamai po Shillong. Subscribe ikani ka channel but turn on your notification bell ru khana bo pinum do iki videos ki bangi upload. Ya kini ki post la palai da ka nigrims mentau banai arajar apsau. Ikitang jung ni ki post ki longkum ne. Project Research Scientist, Project Technical Support 2, but Project Technical Support 1. Ya kini ki post kin sepelong ya ka walk-in interview haka arpotrek banai jun arajar apsau. Ya ka post Project Research Scientist ka blai kawai ka upper age limit ka dela persen senam ka salary le ka tulap ka dehndra punya wajar hak shibnai bat punya ru kandai persen housing rent allowance ka educational qualification kalungkum ne pladiman pendap ya ka MBBS lani BDS lani MVSC. Ya ka post Project Technical Support 2 ka balai arteli ka upper age limit ka dela post 6 ka salary le ka tulap ka de arpau wajar hak shibnai bat punya ru kandai persen ka housing rent allowance. Peladiman pendap ya ka class 12 science, badru ya ka graduation, haka radiography, but imaging technology, lani graduation haka lab technician. Lani peladiman pendap ya ka diploma, haka radiography, but imaging technology, lani lab technician, but pidi bandan sans 6 experience. King hamai preference gitu ki bandang ban keren bhai ka ketin pareng ban kasi. Ya ka project technical support 1 ka balai sautali ka upper age limit ka delai post 6 ka salary leni ka tulap ka day kat prahajar mat penyo ru kandai persen ka housing rent allowance educational qualification kalungkum ne peladiban pendap ya ka graduation haka social work leni nursing leni public health leni peladiban pendap ya ka class 10 tama pide bandon ru ya ka diploma haka MLT leni DMLT leni public health bat ru pide bandon arsenal experience income I preference gitu bandang ban keren bhai ya ka ketin pareng ban ketin khasi. Ki candidates ki belong eligible bagi berkuaban apply kini ki post kin sepenlong ya ka walk-in interview haka arpotrek menai Jun arajar apsau haka Department of Community Medicine New Medical College Building Director Block Site 4th floor Maudiang Diang Nigrims Shillong.